If you feel like everyone else understands money, and you somehow missed the class, this video is for you. Maybe you're starting from zero. Maybe you've made mistakes. Maybe you're just tired of feeling confused or behind. Good news, you don't need to be perfect with money to get better at it. You just need a simple starting point. Let's talk about personal finance from the beginning, in a way that actually makes sense. Personal finance isn't about getting rich overnight. It's not about fancy investments or complicated spreadsheets. At its core, it's just three things. How much money comes in, how much goes out, and what you do with the difference. That's it. Once you understand that, everything else becomes less scary. Step 1. Know where your money is going. Before you try to save, invest, or budget, you need clarity. Most people don't know where their money goes. Not because they're careless, but because small spending adds up quietly. So here's your first job. Track everything you spend for 1 week. Not to judge yourself, not to feel guilty, just to see the truth. Awareness comes before improvement. Step 2. Build a simple budget. A budget isn't a punishment. It's a plan. And beginner budgets should be boring and simple. Start with essentials: rent, food, transport, financial basics, savings, debt payments. Everything else. If your money doesn't have an assignment, it will disappear on its own. Your goal isn't restriction, it's control. Step 3. Build an emergency fund first. Before investing, before side hustles, before trying to grow money, you need protection. An emergency fund turns chaos into inconvenience. Start small. $500, then 1 month of expenses, then build from there. This is what stops you from going backward every time life happens. Step 4. Understand debt without shame. Debt doesn't mean you're bad with money. It means you use the tools available to survive. But ignoring debt makes it heavier. List what you owe. Interest rates. Minimum payments. Clarity reduces fear. Your goal isn't perfection, it's progress. Step 5. Start saving and investing. Saving is for safety. Investing is for growth. If you're a beginner, don't overthink it. Start with consistent savings, long-term thinking, simple, low-risk options. Time matters more than timing. Starting small beats waiting forever. Mindset, the part no one talks about. Money mistakes don't define you. What keeps people stuck isn't lack of income, it's believing it's too late. 2026 is a clean slate if you decide it is. Progress compounds, just like money. If you're starting from zero, you're not behind. You're just at the beginning. And if you want personal finance explained clearly, without pressure, shame, or hype, subscribe. This channel is for people building from the ground up.